Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Meowl. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the shape of the head. Let's start with a large curve across at the top. Then from both ends, let's bring it out and curve it in underneath. And then close off the bottom of the head with a curve across. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's hop in and let's draw the eyes. Let's start with two curves up and bring it down, leaving a gap in the center. And then let's curve it back in underneath. Now let's hop inside and let's draw a large circle towards the inside. And then another circle inside each one. And then one more smaller one on the top right corner. And color the rest of the pupils in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop underneath and draw the nose. Let's start with a curve across in the center. And then let's curve it down to a point underneath. Now inside the nose, let's draw two curves down. And add a curve underneath. Now for the mouth, let's draw a small line underneath. And then two curves down and out. Next on the face, let's hop out and let's draw three curves out on each side for the whiskers. And lastly, for the face, let's add the pattern. Let's start on top and let's draw two curves down towards the eyes. And then continue it underneath and down. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop on top and draw the ears. On top of the head, let's draw a curve up and out on each side. And then curve it down at the ends. Now inside each ear, let's do the same thing to add a border. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start with a long curve down and bring it up on the other side. Now inside the body, let's add a few bumps at the top, a few in the middle, and some more underneath on each side. Now let's hop out and draw the wings. Let's start at the top on each side and let's draw a long curve down. Now at the bottom, let's curve it back up another point down and up, and one more back into the body. Now let's hop inside each of the wings and let's draw another curve up. And two more next to it like this. And that's it for the wings. Lastly, let's move down and draw the feet. Underneath the body, let's draw two angles in the center. Now top out and let's draw a set of lines down. And we're going to curve it down and back up for the first toe. Now let's add another toe next to it. And then one more, bringing it back in to close off each foot. And that's it for Meowl. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!